Let's talk about volunteers today. You say, well, why do I need volunteers? Well, number one, you need volunteers because volunteers give more than non-volunteers. Now, why is that the case? Because it goes back to the basic principle that I've been teaching for years, and that is people who get involved in organizations, they tend to become committed to those organizations, and the dollars follow the commitment. So that's why you want to get volunteers involved. But there's a couple of points you need to remember when you're talking about volunteers or dealing with volunteers. First of all, they can help you duplicate your efforts, but you must tell a volunteer exactly what you want them to do. You must tell the volunteer exactly when you want it done. Otherwise, it won't get done. And anything, and I mean anything, a volunteer does above his or her gift or pledge is icing on the cake. Volunteers would rather do anything than ask for money, so don't depend on them to go out and ask for money. They're not going to do it. Keep that in mind. Volunteers are good for the organization because they give more than non-volunteers. But remember this, you got to tell them exactly what you want them to do, when you want them to do it, and don't expect them to go out and ask for money. Let me leave you with this last quote that I just saw recently. It says, the person who says it cannot be done should not interrupt the person who is doing it. Thank you and have a great day.